What's up, guys? It's Rob here, and today we're looking at Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE, and we are in the middle of a drop, or I shouldn't say the middle. We're actually towards the end, I believe. I'm pretty sure today will be the last big drop day, and it's not even that big of a drop day. We're only down 2.5%, and that is pretty much nothing compared to what's been happening these past couple of days. So the reason that I think today is the final day of the big drop is I think we've entered this zone of support. Now, you've probably heard of a support level, but there are oftentimes zones of support as well, and that's where you've seen big buying pressure and a consolidation in the past, right? So when SPCE was falling in the past, this area actually acted as a support zone, right? It fell past it and then came back into it and consolidated for a bit. And the same thing kind of happened when SPCE was skyrocketing, right? It was going up, way up, gapping up, and then it kind of spent a little bit of time consolidating in this zone. And the same thing is happening here, actually. You can see we were dropping, and every day was actually opening below the close of the previous day. Even here, I believe, it's pretty tough to... Yeah, we were even... it's tough to say right here, but this is actually just continuing the slowdown of momentum. And today we actually opened above the close of yesterday, and now we have dropped down below because, you know, it is still there is still some downward pressure going on just because of all the selling pressure after the launch and the $500 million stock offering. But we can see that we are kind of in the zone of support, and I expect that we will not exit this for a bit, not for long at least, right? We might spike up actually a little bit, just because when a stock drops this much, it tends to garner some interest, and people are thinking, oh, well, now it's oversold, I can buy, and then it tends to spike up and then enter the same zone. And that's actually what happened with this stock a bit ago, right? When it was selling, it dropped too low, and then it spiked up, went out of the zone of support, and then came back into it. So you can see that this is a pretty strong zone. I don't expect we'll be breaking through 28 anytime soon, and I don't think we'll be breaking through $30 today for sure, right? Today's Friday, and this is really one of the main reasons why I think we are going to stop seeing this stock keep going down. The momentum isn't going to be able to continue today because a lot of the market makers and institutional investors who have been selling options on this stock, they don't want this stock to go down because they sold a bunch of put options. If you look at the $30 strike price for July 16th, which is today, Friday, there are 16,739 open interest put contracts for $30. So a lot of traders were probably looking at this. They saw the big drop. They bought a bunch of puts, and those would be expiring today in the money if this stock dropped below $30, and that includes after hours as well. So if this stock drops below $30, even after hours today, anytime before the weekend really, then those investors can execute their contracts, and those contracts will then have made money, and the people who sold them will have lost some money. So they really don't want that, and that's probably why we're seeing a bit of buying pressure coming in today. People really don't want this thing to drop below $30, and in the long term, that's probably what's going to end the drop down, right? Once people see there's not much more momentum, there's no real reason to continue the sell-off, to continue shorting it. I think it will consolidate here, and that will probably happen until the earnings call, when I expect this stock will probably go up, because there has been a lot of hype around this stock, and not necessarily saying that the earnings numbers will be better, but there is going to be a big opportunity at earnings for people in the earnings call, the directors, to highlight the successes of the company and potentially put forward some future plans or ideas for this stock and the company in general, just like what they think they're going to be able to do with it, and that could generate some additional hype. So if you guys are interested in getting into this stock and you need additional capital, there's actually a great opportunity in the link in the description to use the Webull referral link there, and you can get 2 stocks valued up to $1,200, I believe. And all you have to do is open up an account. It's pretty easy, quick, simple, and then you get some free stocks that you can instantly sell and use to buy Virgin Galactic if you're interested. I think this is a great zone to be buying it in. I'll probably be buying some here, and that's all I really have for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.